What is the lowest common multiple and how do we work it out? Find out in today's video. What is going on, guys? This is Mr. Ryan's Tutoring and I am back with another video, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to find the lowest common multiple. So what is lowest common multiple? Well, lowest common multiple is the lowest value that appears on a multiple of 2 or more times tables. Well, instead of me explaining that in a definition, I can really do some examples. That can be very confusing to actually understand as a definition. Also, before we go any further, I highly recommend that you learn your times tables before going into this video. Otherwise, you're going to find it very, very tricky. I've got plenty of times table videos on my channel going from 1 all the way to 12. So with that out of the way, let's get on with the example. So for this first example, I'm going to be finding the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. So the best way to do this is as follows. So first of all, I'm going to write the 2 times table out, probably let's say up to 10. So I'm going to put 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. And then I'm going to start writing the 3 times table out underneath, which is 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Now sometimes with these questions you actually have to keep writing the numbers out, but in this case we don't, because you'll find that the lowest common multiple has already appeared on the list. So on these lists of numbers you can clearly see that 6 is actually the lowest common multiple, and the reason why is it's because it's the lowest value that appears on both lists. As you can see, it's not 2 for example, because 2 only appears on the 2 times table, not the 3 times table, but 6 appears both on the 2s and the 3s, and it's the lowest possible number. Therefore 6 would be the lowest common multiple, and that would be our answer. So guys, I'm pretty sure you're able to understand that quite easily. So now it's time for the quiz. So for today's quiz, I want you to find the lowest common multiple of 9 and 12. And if you guys were paying attention, which I'm sure you all were, you would have got the answer of 36. So that's actually it for the lowest common multiple. We don't really need to go over anything else in particular. The only thing that I would say is if you don't find the lowest common multiple when you're writing these numbers out, you just need to keep going. So let's say if I have to write the 6 times table out and the 12 times table out, and let's say if I write the first few numbers out and it still doesn't appear, just keep writing them and eventually it should appear in most situations. Sometimes in some cases, well, there can be questions where lowest common multiple won't actually exist and you'd state that in your answer. But other than that, that's all we really need to know, and I think it's already time for the grand finale quiz. And for today's grand finale quiz, Mr. Ryan Jr. is going to be putting, let's say, 6 questions up on the screen, and all you have to do is find the lowest common multiple of each of the pairs of numbers. Good luck! And if you guys were paying attention, I'm sure you got all those correct, and if you did, congratulations, you are now lowest common multiple masters. Anyway guys, that is actually it for today's video, but don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.